Hello, fourth graders. It's Misty Cray here. Yesterday we tried to work with this recording, so let's try again today. If not, we'll just read it like we did yesterday in group. So we're going to start at the top, page 296 in your Journeys text if you would like to read along. Again, we're starting at the top of page 296, and we're going to finish the story here.
From then on, Jose took classes from teacher Doris, Humphrey, and Charles Wiedemann. Nearly every day, dripping with sweat, he struggled with his stiff and stubborn body, and at night he hobbled home, his muscles sore and aching. 6 weeks later, he made his debut, performing for the first time. As he waited to go on stage, he felt shy and nervous. All those people in the audience would be watching him. But once he heard the thundering applause, his spirits lifted. That night I tasted undreamed of exultation, humility, and triumph, he said. Ankles and feet, knees and hips, chest and arms, head and neck, up and down and back and forth and in and out, Jose Limon became a dancer. For 11 years, Jose studied and danced with Doris and Charles. He learned to make his muscles sing. He learned to move his bones every which way. He learned to flow and float and fly through space with steps smooth as silk. He learned to be fierce like a bullfighter. Olé! Strong like a soldier. Uno, dos, and proud like a king. Bum! He learned to make dances sweet as bird songs. Tria-tui! Hot as the desert sun. Si! Sad as a broken dreams. Oh, soñador! Loving as a mother's lullaby floating on a Mexican breeze. Sora, sora, so, sora, so. In time, Jose became a world-famous choreographer and toured the globe with his own dance company. For 40 years, with bare feet and broad shoulders, he graced the concert stage, from New York to Mexico City and London to Buenos Aires. He danced for presidents and princesses, builders and bricklayers, bankers and bus drivers, fiddlers and firemen. And each night before the curtain rose, he whispered to himself, "Make me strong so I can give. Bravo, bravo, bravo!"
And that will finish our story. Please come today in group and be prepared to discuss. I'll see you then.